How to manage archived chats in Qwen AI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can manage all of your archived chats, including unarchiving them. So for that, first head on to chat.qwen.ai to access all of your archived chats. Now once you are here, you need to click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then from here choose the archive chats option. Once you do that, you will see all of the archive chats that you have done. If you wish to unarchive any particular chat, simply click onto this unarchive chat button. Or apart from that, if you unarchive all of the chats in the archived folder, click unarchive all and all of the chats which has been archived will be successfully unarchived. Click onto this confirm button and you can see that the chat has been successfully moved from archived folder to your normal directory. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.